Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bridgette, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion, style, beauty and lifestyle related. In today's video I'm going to be sharing my tried and tested favorite products for relaxed hair. So these are the products that have been instrumental in achieving hair length and good health. Whether you are starting your relaxed hair care journey or you are just looking for new products to refresh your routine, these products are absolute game changers. The first product that I'm going to share with you is a clarifying shampoo, and this is by Anti-Jake's, the Also Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo, and this is what it looks like. So a clarifying shampoo cleanses the scalp and the hair, so it removes all the oils, the dirt and the product buildup, and it leaves your hair squeaky clean. And I like this also because it's very affordable. I get this from Clicks and the price is really good. I have a couple of shampoos in my hair arsenal and they do different things for my hair, but I thought that specifically for today's video, this was the one that I had to share with you. So after shampooing my hair, I like to deep condition, and these are some of my favorite deep conditioners. So the first one that I want to share with you is this micro keratin repair and hydrating mask. I was recently introduced to this one by my hairdresser and I've been loving this. It always leaves my hair thoroughly hydrated, softer and smoother. Not only does it replenish your hair with proteins and moisture, but it also gives your hair the much needed antioxidants and vitamins. This microkeratin hydrating mask is an intense hair repair treatment for all hair types. This, if you can afford, guys, I highly recommend. You get this one from the Caucasian hair salons. And the next one that I want to share with you, it's also another Anti-Jake product, and this is the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. And then this is also available in Clicks. And then I also have the Originals Hair Mayonnaise. It's also a deep conditioner, very affordable, available at Clicks and Discount. And so these two, you'll find them both from Clicks and Discount. So all in all, deep conditioning is very important because it restores the moisture, it improves the elasticity of the hair, and it nourishes the hair at a deeper level. It helps to reduce frizz and it promotes the overall hair health. The next product that I'm going to share with you is a moisturizer, and this is Luster's Eskelnor Drip. This is what it looks like. This is an anti-frizz formula, it's paraben free and it's also mineral oil free. I love this moisturizer because it leaves my hair hydrated. It doesn't make my hair stiff like what other moisturizers do, and I also love it because it does not deposit a lot of oil on my hair. My hair always looks very clean when I'm using this product. I've been getting this product from Discam all along, but unfortunately Discam has discontinued it. So right now I'm currently looking for other places where I can find this product. So please guys, if you know anywhere where I can get this product, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. I can't live without this. My hair depends on this product. Moisturizing helps to maintain hydration and elasticity and preventing dryness and breakage. So to seal in the moisture from the moisturizer, I use some oils, and this is my current fave. So this is an argan oil by ORS. I use it on my hair strands and to massage my scalp. I also use it on my ends, so when I apply my hair oils, I use it from the root to the ends to prevent my ends from drying out. Another favorite is Amla oil. I was introduced to this oil by my mom several years ago. I've been using this oil for more than 10 years now. I use this on my hair and I also use it to massage my scalp. I also love Amla oil because it's very rich in antioxidants and vitamins which can nourish the hair follicles and the scalp. You get this from Clicks and Discount. It's very affordable. And for this size, this it's 100 mils, it's around 40 rand. Another favorite oil that I like to use is this Moroccan oil. You get this from Caucasian salons. I like this because it's very lightweight and also a little goes a long way. I really like the consistency of this Moroccan oil because it's not thick, so it doesn't weigh the hair down. So I normally use this oil when my hair is silk pressed. I don't want any heavy oils when my hair is silk pressed because it's gonna weigh down the hair. So it's either I use nothing or I use this light oil. It's very nice. It smells really good. One pump goes a long way. So this Moroccan oil is the only product that I use on my hair when my hair is silk pressed. It's very pricey, but I think it's worth it. To protect my hair from the heat damage from heat tools and blow dryers, I use this Tresemme styling spray. This has a UV filter and it offers heat defense up to 230 degrees Celsius. When I wash my hair at home, I don't use heat tools. I normally let my hair air dry, or on occasions when I really need to use a blow dryer, that's when I use this heat protectant, but it's very rare. Most of the times I get my hair silk pressed at the salon, of which my salon always uses heat protectants as well. Another product that is a favorite are these supplements for hair, skin and nails, and they are by Vital Health Essentials. I get this from Clicks and Discam and I love them because they are very affordable. So even on days that I'm broke, I can still afford to buy this. And so now let's move on to my favorite tools. One of my best tools that I like is this hair massager. I use this to scrub my scalp, to wash my hair, and also to detangle my hair. I always feel like it leaves my scalp very clean, free from the dandruff and all the gunk that settles on the scalp. It always leaves my scalp feeling squeaky clean. I think this is an absolute must-have for all the relaxed hair girlies. So my next favorite tool in my hair arsenal is this blower by Revlon. I love this blower because it comes with a comb attached to it. So I find this very convenient for me because it allows me to comb my hair as I'm drying it. I'm glad I got this. This comb can be removed and it can be replaced with another nozzle that came with the blower. The next products that I have to share with you are my silk products, and these I mentioned them in my previous video that I did on relaxed hair care. If you missed it, I'm going to link it at the end of this video so that you can go and catch up on it. So this is a satin scarf that I got from Discam, the satin bonnet that I got from my hairdresser, the satin pillowcase that I got from Pep, and satin scrunchies that I got from Clicks or Discam, I can't remember. So these satin products are very essential because they do not dry out the hair. Cotton sucks out the moisture out of your hair, and then these silk products also helps to reduce the friction between your hair and the pillow. My next favorite product is one that I might consider a bit obvious, but I'm going to share it anyway, and this is a shower cap. I normally use this when I take either a bath or a shower, but I also use it for deep conditioning. So what I like to do when I'm deep conditioning my hair is after shampooing my hair, I apply my deep conditioner and then I cover my head with this shower cap. It's got a plastic inside. So the shower cap will help to trap my body heat and allow the moisture to penetrate my hair strands. So these are very cheap. I get these from Clicks and Discam. Another favorite product that I love to use for my hair is this alligator clip. I got this from Discam or Clicks, I can't remember, but I love it because it allows me to tie my hair loosely, and it also allows me to keep my hair off my shoulders without pulling my hairline. So this is what I do. I just twist my hair at the back and then clip it in. So this is what it looks like. It's very quick and easy. The next tools that I'm going to share with you are my wide tooth combs. I got both of them from Discam. I do not use tail combs to comb my relaxed hair. So I love to use wide tooth combs because they do less damage to the hair because the friction is less. And for more information, please refer to my previous hair care video. Alright guys, so these are some of the products that I keep going back to, which have become staples in my hair routine. Please comment below what products have been staples for you in your hair routine. Maybe I can also try out some of those products and we can all share our favorites. Like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.